Let's solve 10 questions on exponents now. What is the value of 3 square plus 2 cube? The value of 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9, and the value of 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Similarly, second question, 7 minus 5 to the power 5. We know that 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 to the power 5. How much we need to calculate that? Multiply 2 5 times. When we multiply 2 5 times, we will get 32. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Minus, when it is multiplied 4 times, it becomes plus. Minus to the power even number is plus. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125 into 5, that is 625. What is the value of minus 5 by 2 bracket square? Minus to the power even number is plus always. 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. Minus to the power 4, that is plus 4. 3 to the power 4 is 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81, and 5 to the power 4 is 625. When I multiply 5 4 times, it becomes 625. Solve this question. 3 by 7 to the power 3 into 3 by 7 to the power minus 8 is equal to 3 by 7 to the power 2x plus 3. To solve this question, I will use this law of indices. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Similarly, 3 by 7 to the power 3 minus 8, I'll add this 2x plus 3. When the bases are same, powers are also same. 3 minus 8 is minus 5, and 3 by 7 whole to the power 2x plus 3. See, bases are same here. I can equate the powers. That is, I'll write here a rule. A to the power m is equal to a to the power n. If it is like that, then m is equal to n. Therefore, minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 3. I'll bring 3 to the left hand side. Minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 2x. Minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. 2x is equal to minus 8. X is equal to minus 8 divided by 4. Minus 8 divided by 2, that is minus 4. Let us solve this question now. It is based on power of law of power. Okay. See, a to the power m to the power n. If it is like that, then the answer is a to the power m into n. I'll multiply all the powers of this given equation now. Minus 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 2 into 2, 4. That is minus 1 by 3 to the power 4. Minus, when it is multiplied even number of times, the answer will be plus. 1 to the power 4, 4. That is 1 to the power 4 is 1, and 3 to the power 4 is 81. Simplify this given question now. I'll write 10 as a multiple of 2 and 5. 2 into 5 is 10, and similarly 15 can be written as 3 into 5, that is whole to the power 3. Now denominator 2 square into 3 into 5 to the power 5. 6 is a composite number. I'll write it in prime numbers. 2 into 3 to the power 4. Now open the brackets. We know that if a into b to the power m, then it can be written as a to the power m into b to the power m. Similarly, 2 to the power 2, that is 2 square, 5 square, now 3 cube, 5 cube. 3 cube and 5 cube. Similarly, denominator I'll write now 2 square into 3 into 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. Let us simplify this now. 2 square get cancels now. In the numerator, how many 5s are there? 5 square and 5 cube, that is 5 to the power 2 plus 3 into 3 cube divided by 5 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 1 and 2, 3 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 5. I'll write this now. 5 to the power 5 and this 5 to the power 5 get cancels here, and 3 cube I'll write the numerators now one more time. 3 cube divided by 3 to the power 5, 1 plus 4, that is 5, into 2 to the power 4 is equal to 1 upon 3 to the power 5 minus 3, that is 3 to the power square. 3 square into 2 to the power 4. 3 square is 9. 1 by 9 into 16. 16 nines are 144. The answer is 1 upon 144. Let us take the ninth question now. What is the value of 5 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 3? See, whenever you see the bases are same, we can write 5 to the power 7 minus 3. That is 5 to the power 4. We know 5 to the power 4 is 625. Similarly, 7 by 2 to the power 6 divided by 7 to the power 7 by 2 to the power 3, it can be written as 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. I'll write 7 cube upon 2 cube. 7 cube upon 2 cube. 7 cube is 343 and 2 cube is 8.